Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good. Yes? Are you fine? Are you good? Yes. If you are good, what we should do? Clap your hands. Very good. Hi children, how are you all? Are you super? Are you doing good? I hope you all are very good. Are you enjoying? Yes? Are you happy? If you are happy and you know that, clap your hands louder. Yes, very good. Is it very hot or very cold? How you are feeling? Are you feeling hot or cold? Yes, you are feeling warm. Yes, you are feeling warm. Why? Because it is the summer season. We learn the seasons, no? Summer, winter and rainy. We have 3 seasons. Yes, we learn now. And this is the summer season. How it will be in the summer season? In the summer season, the sun will be very bright, so we will get more heat from the sun. So if we get more heat from the sun, the water in our body will be dehydrated. The water will be evaporated. No, you learn this thirsty crow story. Yes, in the thirsty crow story, what happened? It was very hot summer season and the crow was very thirsty. If it is very thirsty, what it drink? What it do? It searched for the water and the crow drank the water and went away happily. Yes? Did you remember that story? Now it is the summer season. So we are related to the summer season. Shall we start our class with a rhyme? Yes? What is this one, children? You all know. What is this? A cup. What is this? A cup. Shall we start the rhyme? If you want me to start the rhyme, what is the deal? You should all stand up first. Come on, stand up everyone. If you stand up, I will start the rhyme. Very good, children. Now, shall we start the rhyme? A cup of water, a cup of water, a cup of water. Drink a cup of water, a cup of water. What we should drink? We should drink a cup of water. Drink the water. Yes. Why we should drink the water? Drinking, we are drinking a cup of water. Why we should drink? Come on, I'll say it again. Start. A cup of water, a cup of water, a cup of water. Drink every time. Drink every time. Drink every time you feel thirsty and dry. Drink every time you feel thirsty and dry. Why we should drink a cup of water? We should drink cup of water because when we feel more thirsty in the summer season, we should drink a cup of water to be healthy. Yes? Shall we sing once again? Okay. A cup of water, a cup of water, a cup of water. Drink a cup of water when you feel thirsty and dry. When you feel thirsty and dry. Why we should drink water? Well, why? Because to be very healthy in the summer season. To be very healthy. And what else? Why we should drink water? And the food in our body will also get digested by drinking the water only. Every time after eating the food, you should drink water. And why we are saying only a cup of water? Why don't we say drink big glass of water? Because we should not drink more water at a time. You should take small sips of water many times. See, that's why a cup of water, little quantity of water you just drink. For every half an hour you drink just 2 sips of water. Okay children? Now shall we go to our class? Shall we start? Oh, are you eager what I am going to tell today? Oh, what we learned in our last class, in the English class, what we learned last week? Did you remember? Yes, shall I repeat what we learned, or you will say? Okay, it has been almost 1 week now, so some of you may forget what we learned. So, let me recollect what we learned. We learned the phonic sounds of the alphabets, and also we learned how to write the small letters in English. And how many alphabets are there in English, children? Yes, very good. 26 alphabets. Now, shall we revise the phonic sounds once again? Shall I revise? Okay. What is this letter? Now listen. I won't say the letter. I will say only the sound. Okay? Just repeat the sound with me. A, B, B, B. K, K, K. D, D, D. A. Next, what is the next sound? F, 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 F. G, G, G. What is the sound for this letter? G. Next letter, what is the next letter? H. What is the sound of H? H. H. E. 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 J. 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 K. 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 K after L, 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 L. What is this? Orange. Yes? Did you remember the sounds? P, P, P. Qua, qua, qua. R, r. T, 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 tiger. Umbrella. V, V, V. What is this letter? X. X for Xmas tree. X, X, X. Y, Y, Y. And what is the last letter sound? Z, 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 zero. Z, Z, zero. Yes? Did you recollect it? Did you refresh your memory? Yes. Now, why I am stressing more on phonics means, if you know the phonics perfectly, you can write the spellings very easy. It will be very easy for you to write any spelling. If you know the pronunciation correctly, you can write it very easily. Why? Because now we learn the alphabets. So after this alphabets, we will learn the words. So it will be very easy to spell the words with the help of the phonetic sounds. Yes? Now you know the sounds. Yes, children? Did you know? You know the sounds, no? Now, what is our topic today? We are going to learn about the first letter of the picture. If I show a picture, for example, see this picture. What is this picture? Hen. Yes? Hen. How is the sound starting? Hen. Hen. Ha. Means H is the first letter. Yes? What is our topic today? First letter of the picture. If a picture is shown, so you by seeing the picture, you will know the word. By pronouncing that word, you should be able to say the first letter of that picture. What is our topic? First letter of the picture. Okay? Now, what is the first letter for this picture? Hen. Ha. Means, what is the first letter? H. What is the first letter? H. What is this picture, see children? Apple. 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 So, what is the first letter? A. What is this? Banana. 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 So, what is the first letter? What is the sound? B. How is the word starting? Which sound? B. So, what is the sound? B. The first letter is ba sound. B means B. What is the sound? B. See, what is this picture? A nice rose flower. Yes? A beautiful rose flower is here. What is this picture? Rose. 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 So, R is sound for which letter? R. Next, what is this picture? Mango. This is a mango. Yes, ripe mango. You all like the mangoes? Yes, it is summer season. You can enjoy the mangoes also. Now, what is the mango? How to pronounce mango? Mango. 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 Means, what is the first letter? M. The letter corresponding to the sound is See, what is this picture? A dog. What? Dog. 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 So, what is the first letter for this one? What is the first letter of this picture? D. Means D. Which letter you will write? D. Are you understanding, children? I hope you are understanding. Am I going fast? No? See, what is this picture? Nice jeep. Yes? What is the picture? Zip. 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 Z. 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 Means which letter? J. See, what is this picture? Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. So, umbrella. I is sound for U. So, what is the first letter for this picture? U. What is this picture? A vase. A vase. Vase. S. Vase. V. Vase. So, what is the letter? V. What is this? What is this picture, children? Name the picture. What is this? An orange. 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 So, what is the first word? First letter for this word? O. See, what is this? You will say TV, no? Are you seeing more TV? No, don't see more TV because it will strain your eyes. See for just little time. Okay? TV. Television. 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 So, what is the first letter? T. T means T. What is this? Some animal came here. What is this animal? Zebra. What is this? Zebra. Z. Z. So what is the first letter? Z. What is this picture? Kite. Kite. What is this? This is a kite. K. So what is the sound of the first letter? K. K. It means, what is the letter? It is K. The first letter is K. Hen already over. Oh, see what is the next picture? Which? Oh, you are guessing now which picture ma'am will show next? Yes. See who came next? Who is she? Cat. What is this? Cat. 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 So what is the first letter? C. What is this? Oh, now came an elephant. 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 So what is the first letter sound? A. Elephant. Elephant. So what is the first letter? E. E is the first letter. What is this? This is a fish. What is this picture? This picture is a fish. What is there in this picture? A fish. Fish. So F is sound for which letter? F. It is which letter? F. The picture is related to which letter? First letter? F. Next picture, what shall I show you? What shall I show you next picture? Oh, these are the, what are these? These are the grapes. You all like grapes? Say, what is this picture? Grapes. 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 What is the sound of the first letter? How you are starting the word? G. Grapes. Grapes. So what is the first letter? G. What is the first letter for this picture? G. Next picture, what shall I show you? Think. Next, which picture madam is going to show? You just think, you will think it. What is this picture? This is a doll. Yes? You will play with the dolls, no? What is this? This is a doll. 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 So what is the sound? It is, we are starting with doll. Means D. D. So D is the sound of which letter? D. So what is the first letter of this picture? D. Yes? Now, can you write the first letters of for some pictures? Yes? Let me draw some pictures for you. Okay? First, I will draw you a favorite picture. See? What is this picture? This is a kite. So what is the first letter for this picture? K. What is the first letter? K. See what is this picture? I am going to draw. What is this? This is a ball. Ball. So, what is the first sound? B. B. Means which letter I should write here? B. B. Means B. What is the first letter? B. See what is this picture, children? This is an egg. 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 So what is the first letter for this picture? E. S. This is an egg. E. See children, what is this picture? It is a star. What is this picture? It is a star. 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 So what is the first letter? Is it P? P? No, what is the sound for P? P. P. So what is this letter? Which letter I should write here? S. What is this picture? It is a pot. 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 So, P means which letter I should write here? What is the first letter of this picture? P. The first letter is P. Come on, see children, what is this picture? This is it. This is the sun. This is the sun. So what is the sound for the first sound for this word? Sun. Sun. So sun. So it starts with which letter? S. So what is the first letter of this picture? S. And remember, are you writing S like this, or some children will be writing S like this? Okay? This is wrong. You are writing 2. Some children are writing S as 2. Be careful while writing S. First write like small c. Okay? First write like small c. Left curve. And then right curve. First left curve, then right curve. This will be the S. Next, see what I am drawing now. What is this picture then? This is a lollipop. Yes, you are like to lick the lollipops. Yes, lollipop. What is the lollipop sound? How to pronounce it? Lollipop. Lollipop. So, what is the first letter? L. What is the first letter? L. Okay, like this, children, you should write the first letters for the given pictures. I hope you all understand this video, and it will be very useful to you to write your spellings. If you learn the spellings with the help of phonetic sounds, you won't get mistakes, and you will be very easy. It will be very easy for you to write spelling for any word. Now, what you should do after watching this video, you should practice the worksheets. What are the works I have given in the worksheets? You should practice them. You should write them. Okay? Why we should write? Because if we practice more, we will learn more. Yes? Shall we wind up for today? Bye children. Bye bye.